Here's a simple, step-by-step guide on how to link your bank account to PayPal. First, open your browser and go to paypal.com. Log in to your account using your email and password. After you log in, look at the top of the screen and click on Wallet. This is where your cards and bank accounts are stored. In the Wallet section, click the option that says Link a Bank or Add a Bank Account, depending on your screen. PayPal will give you two options. You can link your bank instantly using your online banking login, or you can add it manually using your routing number and account number. If you choose instant linking, select your bank from the list. Enter your online banking username and password. PayPal will securely confirm your account and link it right away. If you choose the manual option, type in your routing number and your account number. PayPal will then send two small deposits into your bank within a day or two. When the deposits arrive, come back to PayPal, enter the amounts, and your bank account will be verified. And that's it. Your bank account is now linked to your PayPal and ready to use.